Well, good morning guys, how you doing? Hope you're all okay. Well, this morning I've come down to Boscombe to take a picture of the pier at Boscombe. As you can see behind me, I've got this totally amazing sunrise. So obviously, you know, I probably squeezed the sunrise in with the pier, but to be honest, the shot behind me is the shot with the groin going into the sea and the waves just coming in around it, and this amazing sunrise. And as you can see just above there to my left, you've got some cloud coming over, and it's really kind of, how can you explain, long and thin, I suppose, and that is going to kick off as well. I can see it colouring up now, so this is totally exciting. I know you can't see me very well because it's still dark. It's probably only about, it's just kind of 7 o'clock, so it's still pretty dark, but it just shows you when you go out to photograph something, the thing you want to go out to photograph is not always the thing you photograph. I mean, we'll get some of the pier later on, but this is the shot behind me right now. Totally amazing. And if it comes out as well as it looks on the back of the camera in print, that's going to be the photo of the year for me, I think, because this is so awesome. Yeah, settings wise, I'm on f11, normal ISO 100. It's given me about 6 seconds. I've just got the water or the sea coming in, and it's just coming up to the tripod. So with the sea and the groin and the sunrise, what more can I say? It's awesome. This is the time when coming out early in the morning is at its best. It's just absolutely brilliant. It's not always like this down here, I'll be honest. Sometimes it's blowing a hoolie and chucking down with rain, but today it's just perfect. But this is obviously what I'm looking at through my screen, and you can see the shot. It's the sea, the groin and the sky. And I reckon, I don't know, I've probably got about another 5-10 minutes of this, and then it's just going to disappear. So catch it while you can, and then move on to something else. But oh, I'll tell you what, it's just so exciting. I can't tell you how excited I am, because quite often you come out on sunrise and you know, you half expect it, but you never get it. And just occasionally you're just blessed with the perfect day. And the way the clouds are coming over as well. Let's just move you up a bit. Hang on a sec. There you go, that's better. Yes, you've got the clouds which are coming across as well, following the line of the groin, and the waves going out. Okay guys, so you can probably see in the camera there, I've still got the sunset and it's still looking totally amazing. And what you've got this lovely kind of golden reflection on the sea there, and just above it is bright orange, and then it's red and blacks and greys in it. And look at the camera here, I have to take a shot because it's so lovely. So it's very dark in the front leading up to the groin, and you've got this lovely orange strip, and then the grey of the clouds above it. Pretty awesome shot actually, to be honest. The thing is, a day like today you get so excited and you're not thinking straight half the time. You just want to kind of keep shooting, but you're not actually thinking about what you're shooting. I'm just going to move forward a bit with the camera, because I think the tide's actually going out. I seem to be getting nearer and nearer to the end of the groin there. Totally awesome shot, totally awesome. More, I keep saying awesome, but it is. I mean, awesome. Just going to put a 3-stop in it. I think it's a 3-stop. Let me just check. No, it's a 10-stop. Hang on a sec. Don't want that. I'm back again, guys. Right, so 3-stop in. Of course, that's obviously darkened it right down. Let's just check the old histogram here. Yeah. Oh yes, look at that. So that's given me 4 seconds. So now I've got f11, ISO 100, I've got the polarizer on, I've got the 3-stop. Oh yeah, that's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to push the boat out even more, And I'm going to put an ND grad on as well. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I'm back again guys. Right, let's get that ND filter in. Oh my word, I tell you what guys, I so wish you were here with me, because this is just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I'm so glad I got up at the crack of, oh my word, oh what a lovely morning I'm having here. And I've only taken a picture of a groin, you know, it's not what I came down to photograph, but that is what I'm photographing. You've got this beautiful silhouette of the groin. The sun's just rising. I think the sun rises about the next 5 minutes or so. So I dread to think what I was going to do when that pops up. That'd be blow the whole sky out, hopefully. But yeah, let's crack on and get a couple more shots here. Oh yeah, so beautiful. I'm going to bring you a bit closer, guys. You're a bit far away over there. Let me go and get you. I want you to join in what I'm experiencing here, because it don't happen every day, I can assure you. I had the wife saying to me this morning, you must be mad going out in that, it's freezing. But to be honest, it's pretty good actually. Right, let's put you over here so you can see what I'm doing. Put the camera down a bit. I say, if the wife thought I was mad, there's a guy just getting in the sea over there with nothing but a pair of trunks on. Must be absolutely free. Oh my word, he's just diving. I can't believe it. Anyways, back to the photography. Yeah, I mean, we're hoping you can pick all this up on the camera over there. But what I've got, like I said before, I've got this lovely silhouette of the groin. The sun is just coming up now, lighting the whole sky. It was gold and red and purples. You've got the greys, you've got a bit of blue up there as well. And like I say, I've got the polarizer on, I've got the ND grad on, I've got the free-stop filter, giving me 5 seconds. And I'm absolutely loving it. Oh, I can't tell you guys, I so wish you were here with me experiencing this. I haven't even looked at the pictures, I'm just clicking away here. There we go, 5 seconds that's given me. Okay guys, well, sun's coming up as you can probably see now. Yeah, so as I was saying, just come to photograph the pier now, and I'm getting this lovely golden light on the pier, and it's absolutely lovely. So the main thing with this shot really, if you look at it, is obviously the pier, you've got the sky coming over, so I don't know whether to whack a 10 stop on, so I reckon that'll look pretty good. I've got no filters on, set the polarizer. I'm just going to put the filters back on a sec. Okay guys, I'm back again. Keep disappearing on you. ND in. Put that right down on top of the sea there. That's beautiful. Oh yeah, that's really nice. Yes, I've got this lovely dark sky. Excuse me. It's a lovely dark sky coming over the pier there. A nice orange band in the middle. The pier all lit up nice, kind of almost like an amber colour, I suppose you'd call it. It's not gold. Let's take the shot. And the water's just coming around me, so that's even better. Oh, that looks lovely. Oh, that's absolutely beautiful. Oh, I'm absolutely loving it here today, guys. This has been such a boost for me. Oh yes. And I keep saying, oh yes, it's amazing. But it is amazing. It's been a totally amazing morning. I'm not finished yet. You know what? I could have stayed in bed this morning because it was cold. I wanted to get out, and we want to photograph down here for quite some time. Because obviously you've got Boscombe Pier, and about a mile and a half down the road you've got Bournemouth Pier. That tends to be more popular because it's right in the town there. But I'd come here. I mean, Bournemouth Pier is nice, get me right, but you've got all the funfair on it, you've got all the amusements and all that. And it's really nice at night when it's all lit up. But this has got, I don't know, it's got personality about it, I think. There ain't a lot on there, it's just a walk through. But I just love it, it's just simple pier. Got a bit of character, a bit of personality, like I said. And, you know, it's just such a lovely place. You've got the Isle of Wight just over there. Bournemouth down the road, and you probably might have seen the distance, Old Harry's Rocks. Okay guys, I've just changed composition a bit now. Gone for a bit more of a, I don't know what you'd call it, silhouette-y, arty type image. Looking through all the oh, what do you call them? Just call them posts. Looking through the posts there, at the sun rising up through the clouds there. There's the sea coming in. It's given me about, let's have a look. So I've got a 3-stop on polarizer, got no ND filter on this time, because that was just, it's not really worth it, because it just blackened everything out. But it's actually looking really good. It's a lovely little silhouette, a bit of colouring behind it. Let's just take that, see what it comes out like. Okay guys, I've had such a wonderful, wonderful time here this morning. I'm totally blessed with the sunrise. Best sunrise I've seen for a long, long time. And it's well worth getting up early and getting down here. So if you're down this way, check it out, Boscombe Pier. It's a lot quieter than Bournemouth, like I said earlier on. But yeah, it's a lovely spot. It looks like the cafe's open now, so I might go and treat myself to a cup of coffee. But I've had a lovely time. So it just leaves me to say thanks for watching, thanks for listening, take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers, bye.
It's the same old story being told inside my head. I'm too shy to straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall